In today's video, I will teach you how to edit nighttime photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. Editing nighttime photos in Lightroom can enhance the mood, bring out details, and correct common issues like noise and improper lighting. First, import your nighttime photo into Lightroom and open it in the Develop module. Now we're going to correct the white balance. For this, you can use the white balance selector tool to correct any color casts from artificial lighting. Then adjust the temp and tint sliders to achieve a natural look, aiming for balanced tones, especially in highlights like street lights or illuminated objects. Now we're going to adjust the exposure and contrast. You can increase the exposure if it's too dark, but be careful not to overexpose the highlights. And you can boost the contrast to add depth, enhancing the difference between the dark shadows and bright lights. You can also lower the highlight slider to recover details in bright areas like street lights or car headlights. And you can increase the shadow slider to bring out details in darker areas without losing the nighttime feel. Now we're going to fine-tune the whites and blacks. You can adjust the whites to ensure the brightest parts of the image are defined but not blown out. And you can lower the black slider to deepen the shadows and add contrast, making the photo feel richer. You can also increase the clarity to enhance mid-tone contrasts, adding definition to details like buildings and stars. And you can subtly adjust the texture to bring out finer details without over-sharpening. Night photos often suffer from noise due to high ISO settings. So go to the Detail panel and use the noise reduction sliders. You can adjust the luminance slider to reduce graininess in the shadows. And you can use the color slider to minimize color noise in the darker areas. You can also apply sharpening to enhance details, particularly if the photo includes architectural elements or distant lights. But be cautious to avoid enhancing noise, so balance sharpening with noise reduction. Now use the backslash key to compare the edited image with the original photo to ensure your adjustments improve the photo without losing its nighttime essence. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.